Summer is here and we can definitely feel it. It is hot and sunny today. We reach a milestone with our upgraded roof design. The foxes have officially established their playground in our front and backyard, and we finally got to use our new best tool. Hi, we're Jen and Pierre, a Canadian couple originally from Quebec, and we are currently building our custom 37 feet expedition sailboat. We found a forgotten rusty hull a few years ago and named her Wild Raven. She'll be an all-electric, Arctic-ready, and one-of-a-kind. Launching in 2026, welcome to sailing Wild Raven. Before getting consumed by our humongous boat list, we kickstart June with a micro trip to Quebec City. Our trip coincided with the first arrival of Sailboat that would partake in the Transat Quebec Saint-Malo. That race started in 1984 and only takes place every 4 years.
First thing first, before assembling the roof, we need to prep the material. Then it's time to tack. Tacking is just using a small welding rod, 3/16 stainless, and tacking it in position so it doesn't move anymore prior to finishing welding. When everything is in place, then it's time for welding.
We then continued with the stringers or the beams. Those are necessary to create the structure for the roof and provide strength and rigidity. Lots of pressure will be applied on the roof, coming from multiple points. Once everything is in place, more will be added.
Tout il faudrait arroser le top. Parce que le top, il fait ça. Hein.
Depuis qu'on l'a coupé,
Bon, c'est comme ça. Hein.
just a few stringers were installed so we could create the template for the top part of the new roof. Steel and stainless steel are much heavier than aluminum. That specific sheet, before being cut, was 10 feet long and 5 feet wide, and the thickness is 1/8 of an inch. Its full-size weight was 257 pounds. For comparison, using the same dimension, an aluminum sheet would have only been 90 pounds. At this point, we were still waiting for our laser machine to arrive, so we decided to keep using our plasma cutter instead. Just a reminder that your workplace area should be well ventilated when using the plasma cutter, as it creates lots of fume. Want to know more about this device? Make sure to click on the link in the upper right corner of your screen. Good morning, guys. It is hot and sunny today. Last weekend we worked on the roof and it looks awesome. Right now it's just stacked. There's still some part that needs to be cut here, but we're using it to make the template for those triangle on the side. So these ones. And there's some bump that needs to be fixed. So I can show you. Like one of the biggest one is there, and there's a few along the side there. One other thing also I realize is the roof is just perfect height to be sitting. So it's going to be nice for a sundowner, looking at the sunset or sunrise, anything. Well, it's official. We have new tenants. The foxes have been coming every single morning for over a month now. They play, chase or nag each other, look for small critters, or chill while waiting for their mom. I don't have any video of her, just that one picture. She's black with a white tipped tail. She's actually a silver fox, which is a melanistic form of the red fox. Silver foxes represent about 8 to 10% of the red foxes population in Ontario. It's hard for Jasmine to stay quiet when they're here. I keep whispering to her, on regarde et on écoute, which means we listen and we watch. That's something we taught her on our canoe journey, just the same way we taught her to bark on command. The blue plastic pool was for Jasmine so she could refresh herself on hot days. But the foxes took over and she couldn't care less now. Finally, the day has come. We have waited for 3 months for this tool to arrive. We knew it would be a game changer for our boat building project.
Thank you very much.
At least, that's what we were hoping for. This is a 3-in-1 fiber laser 1500 watts machine. It can weld, cut, and clean different material and thickness. As for the cleaning mode, not only it can remove rust, but it can also do more delicate work like removing paint from wood. It's our first time using the laser machine, so today we're going to use the welding function. There's plenty of cable, the black cable there that's attached to the welding gun. The automatic wire feeder needed to be brought on the deck because there's not as much cable between the welding gun and the feeder. You cannot use a normal welding mask while using the laser machine, so you need a lens that's specific for laser. Lots of you have shown interest and asked questions about the laser machine. Therefore, we decided that we would do a complete review, but in a separate episode. We have yet to use the cutting and cleaning function, so we will wait after trying those before Pierre shares his opinions, findings, and final thoughts. So far, we're happy with the welding function, although there are some considerations to keep in mind.
Très belle soudure, hein? On va inspecter comme il faut, hein. Il y a un petit trou là.
In the next episode, we tackle the ballast boxes. We make room for, well, you'll find out soon. We get dressed because there'll be a lot of dust. We have fun with the laser,
Almost went through.
and we continue with the new roof work.